Voluntary blood donation. It is a noble cause which should be practiced by everyone who is eligible and lucky enough to donate blood. As contrary to the myths, a voluntary blood donation carries no risk. In fact, it benefits the receiver as well as the giver. First of all, you think when you donate blood, you are helping and saving the lives of at least 4 people. It is the most noblest cause, requires no money. Now the second query which comes into a donor's mind is, what benefits do I achieve from donating blood voluntarily? First of all, always donate blood in a licensed blood bank at a proper place, in a proper camp which is organized by a licensed blood bank. Whenever you come for a blood donation, first of all, you are given a complete medical examination. Your hemoglobin is checked, your blood pressure is checked, your weight is taken, and a good clinical history is taken to rule out any factor which may make you ineligible for blood donation. It really helps you to see yourself as a healthy human being as well as encourages you to help others. During blood donation, it is hardly a 10-minute procedure with almost no pain. It's only the pain of a small prick, which is hardly felt by anyone, carries no risk of infection at all, and then you come out as a healthy, smiling person. The blood you donate is tested for so many things, which is done free of cost. First of all, your blood group, then the antibodies which are present in your blood group, and besides, the most important, the asymptomatic diseases which affects one and all and carries or sees no socioeconomic status. They are HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, syphilis and malaria. And any blood which comes out reactive for these diseases, the result is communicated to you confidentially so that you can get your treatment further off and save yourself from the after effects or the complications of these diseases. If you are getting so many advantages when you donate blood, there is no reason why you shouldn't donate blood. And those people who regularly donate blood, they usually have found to be less incidence of any heart disease. There's a 5% decrease in the incidence of any cardiovascular disease in regular donors. They are more healthy as compared to the normal population who do not donate blood and get themselves checked regularly, and that too free of cost. So it gives you a double advantage, saving yourself as well as saving someone else who may be in need of blood, and for him it may be life. So that is why save life. And blood donation, again I say, carries no risk at all. So don't be involved in any myths or issues which say that you lose a lot of blood. Our body has about 5 to 6 liters of blood, and donation is hardly 350 milliliter of blood. So you save yourself, and that blood is nothing. It has an extra which is present over there and does not really harm you or makes you weak.